Hello. Have you ever wondered how living organisms are made? Well, it's a fascinating journey that starts with the tiniest building blocks and leads to complex organisms. Let's explore this amazing hierarchical organization of life, from atoms to organisms. Our journey begins with the fundamental units of matter, atoms. These tiny particles combine to form molecules, which are like building bricks coming together to create larger structures. For instance, the atoms carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen make up protein molecules. Next, let's zoom in on a cell, the basic unit of life. Cells are like tiny factories carrying out all the essential functions for life. Some organisms are made up of only one cell, while other organisms consist of trillions of cells. When cells with similar functions group together, they form tissues. Think of tissues as a team working together to perform a specific task. For instance, muscle tissue create movement and force in organisms. Muscle tissues come together to create organs, which are like specialized departments within a larger organization. The heart organ is made up of muscular and vascular tissue and is responsible for moving blood to the various parts of the body. The blood carries oxygen and nutrients to cells and removes waste products from the cells. Finally, organs work together in a coordinated manner to form organ systems. These systems are like the various departments in a company, each with its own role, but working together for the overall success of the organization. The respiratory system facilitates gas exchange that provides oxygen to the body and expels carbon dioxide from the body. When these organ systems combine into one being, you have the complex organism. And there you have it. This hierarchical organization showcases the intricate and fascinating nature of life. Organisms are made up of organ systems that are made up of organs made from tissue, which consists of cells that are created from atoms and molecules. So the next time you look at a tree, a bear, or even yourself, remember the incredible journey from atoms to organisms that makes life possible. Thank you for watching.